nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Happy Kids School ifite abarimu b'inzobere batanga amasomo mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne, tutibagiwe na creche ndetse n'amashuri abanza ariyo primary school. Mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne, tubafitiye amashuri yose uko ariyo baby class, middle class na top class. Mu mashuri abanza cyangwa se primary school tubafitiye kuva mu mwaka wa mbere kugeza mu mwaka wa gatandatu. Nuzana umwana wawe muri Happy Kids School uzamuzanye amaboko meza y'abarezi b'inzobere muri uyu mwuga. Iri shuri riherereye hari Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri cricket neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83 cyangwa 0788 45 96 32. Zana umwana wawe ku ishuri ry'icyerekezo cy'ikinyagihumbi.
Hello dear my friends, peoples. I am your friend teacher, Kicukiro Jean-Pierre. Now we are going to study safe. But before going on, I would like to tell you that you have to be safe. You have to wash your hands or use sanitizer just to avoid or to combat against this COVID-19. Okay, now dear my friends, we are going to talk about the animals. We are going to talk about the animals. Now, what is animal, dear my friends? What do you understand by the word animals? Yes, animals are the things which move, eat, breathe, and which are not the human. Animals are the things which move, eat, breathe, and which are not human. Good. Dear my friends, would you please tell me like 2 examples of animals? Yes? Wow, correct. There is a cow, and you can even say elephant. Now, let's look at this chart and that you can see here. Okay, dear my friends, here as you see on this chart, we have different animals, and here we have some insects like cricket, butterfly, frog, etc. Now, dear my friends, we have different animals. The ones live at home and other ones live in the bush. We can even have an example of the animals which live at home. For example, a dog. A dog lives at home. And you can have another animal which lives in the bush like a lion. Now, talking about these animals which live in the home and another one live in the bush, we can regard this saying that there are 2 types of animals. Now we can have domestic animals and wild animals. Dear my friend, can you please tell me the types of of animals? Good. There is domestic animals and wild animals. Without going far, let's talk about domestic animals. Domestic animals. Let's talk about domestic animals. Dear my friends, what do you understand by domestic animals? Yes, take your notebook and write what is domestic animals. Good. Domestic animals. Domestic animals are the animals which live in the home. Let us repeat. Domestic animals are the animals which live in the home. Good. Dear my friends, can you please tell me some examples of domestic animals? The animals which live in the home. Lion. Is lion lives in the home? No. Lion doesn't live in the home. But we can talk like a cow, a dog, a rabbit, a goat, a sheep, etc. Now, dear my friends, let's again have our eyes on this chart. Look at here. Here we have domestic animals like duck, rabbit, hen, goat, cow. Again, let's talk duck, rabbit, hen, goat, and cow. Very nice, dear my friends. Now, dear my friends, would you give me some other examples of domestic animals? I give you 10 seconds to tell me domestic animals that you have not seen on that chart. We can say donkey. Can say donkey, my friends. We can just say camel. Donkey, camel. Dear my friends, can you please tell me the others? Okay. Now let's say ox. Good. Ox. Ox also is another animal which lives in the home. Dear my friends, go and tell your family members the other animals we can see at home. And take your notebook, then have a list of the animals which live in the home.